Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making assorted pakora platter, that is 6 varieties of vegetable pakoras. Pakoras, or fritters, are among most popular snacks and appetizers in Indian subcontinent. These pakoras are liked or preferred most during rainy or winter seasons, though it is prepared and served throughout the year in households, food shops, or even as popular street food. Serving or eating hot pakoras accompanied with a cup of hot tea or coffee can turn the mood amazingly delightful even on a wet or cold gloomy day. Pakoras may be prepared in many varieties. We are making this fabulous pakora platter with 6 varieties of vegetable pakoras. Serve it to your family members or guests and everyone is going to love it for sure. We are making this pakora platter using 50-gram fresh paneer, that is drained and pressed cottage cheese, 1 medium-size peeled potato, 2 small medium-size eggplants, 1 medium-size peeled onion, and 3 or 4 florets of cauliflower. These pakoras will be sufficient to serve 4 people. Cut peeled onion into approximately 1/4 inch thick slices. Same way cut peeled potato also into 1/4 inch thick slices. Cut cauliflower florets into halves or thirds vertically. Cut eggplants also into 1/4 inch thick vertical slices. Also cut paneer into half to 1 inch size cubes or square pieces. Sprinkle with pinches of red chili powder and salt to season vegetable slices and paneer or cottage cheese pieces. Toss vegetables and cottage cheese to season evenly and keep aside for a while. Also chop or cut a handful of fresh spinach into small pieces or strips and keep it aside too. Take 4 tablespoon besan, that is gram flour or chickpea flour, in a bowl. Add 1/2 teaspoon or to taste salt, 1/3 teaspoon or to taste red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon or to taste ajwain, that is carom seeds, and a small pinch, that is 1/8 of a teaspoon baking soda. Stir to mix well, then start pouring in water little by little while stirring vigorously. Make lumps-free batter. The consistency of batter should be neither too thick nor too thin, yet it should be pourable consistency. Now heat enough cooking oil or ghee in a wok over medium heat. Dip eggplant slices in prepared batter and drop batter-coated eggplant slices one by one into hot oil or ghee. Reduce heat to medium-low after dropping all slices. Fry while turning sides with a perforated spatula occasionally at medium-low heat for 2 to 3 minutes, or just until fritters turn lightly golden in color. Drain half-fried fritters onto a paper towel or tissue-lined large plate and keep aside. Increase heat to medium and dip paneer pieces, that is cottage cheese cubes or squares, into batter and carefully drop batter-coated cheese pieces one by one into hot oil or ghee. Reduce heat again to medium-low and fry while turning sides occasionally for 2 to 3 minutes or just until lightly golden in color. Drain onto same large plate and keep aside. Increase heat to medium again and now dip cauliflower pieces into batter and carefully drop batter-coated cauliflower pieces into hot oil one by one. Reduce heat to low this time and fry at low heat while turning sides occasionally for 4 to 5 minutes or just until cauliflower is tender and fritters are lightly golden in color. Drain half-fried cauliflower fritters also onto same plate and keep aside. Increase heat to medium again and now dip potato slices into batter to coat well with it and carefully drop one by one into hot oil. Reduce heat to low again and fry while turning sides occasionally at low heat for 3 to 4 minutes or until potato is tender and fritters are lightly golden. Drain lightly golden half-fried potato fritters also onto same platter and keep aside. Increase heat to medium again. Now dip onion slices into batter and drop one by one into hot oil, then reduce heat to low again. You might have noted by now that we fried eggplant and cottage cheese fritters at medium-low heat for a slightly shorter period, whereas we have fried cauliflower, potato, and onion fritters at low heat for comparatively longer period. We have done so because eggplants are cooked sooner and cottage cheese does not require to be cooked, whereas cauliflower, potato and onion need longer time to cook and tender. Fry onion fritters at low heat for 3 to 4 minutes or just until lightly golden in color, then drain onto same platter and keep aside. Now add all of chopped spinach into remaining batter and mix it well with batter. Add 1 tablespoon dry besan, that is gram flour or chickpea flour, into it and mix well. Also add small pinches of salt and red chili powder into it to adjust seasonings. Mix well with hands and make roundels of seasoned spinach and batter mixture. Drop one by one into hot oil. Reduce heat to medium-low and fry while turning occasionally at medium-low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Drain onto same plate and keep half-fried fritters platter aside until required for serving. Heat cooking oil or ghee at medium-high heat 10 minutes before serving time. Carefully drop half-fried fritters in batches into very hot oil and fry while turning sides continuously for 1 or 2 minutes or until nicely reddish golden in color. This double frying helps making fritters really crispy, and all professional fritter makers use this technique only to sell crispy fritters. It also saves your time while serving because the vegetables are already cooked through and refrying is required for shorter period only. You may prepare half-fried fritters in advance and may keep up to few hours at room temperature or may refrigerate covered for up to a couple of days. Just keep one thing in mind while refrying them. Fry one variety of fritters in one batch, otherwise the flavors of different vegetables may mingle and all fritters might taste same. Serve delicious varieties of pakoras, that is vegetable fritters, accompanied with choicest sauce and chutney. Enjoy! We hope that you have liked it. Please click the like button below and write your views in comments column. Your feedback is very important for us. Thanks.